श्रीमन्महाभारतं 110th डे। ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimanmahabharatam 102nd chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju and saying like this, O Raja, Bhishma is now talking to all those kings and saying that, O my dear kings, in general kings likes Swayamvaram, and also the king who can defeat all other kings and abduct the girl, they are such great kings. That is what the enlightened people says. So that is why now I am going to abduct these three girls in front of all of you. Now you all can put all your efforts and try to stop me. Like that Bhishma said and told to Kasiraju also, and took those three girls and put them in his chariot and started from there. Then immediately all the kings attacked Bhishma, and there the war started between all the kings and Bhishma. That war is giving goosebumps to everyone. It is just such a dreadful fight, dreadful war is going on. All those kings, at a time, 10,000 arrows they are shooting on Bhishma. Even before they come close to him, Bhishma again shooting so many arrows and stopping them and breaking all those arrows. Then all the kings surrounded Bhishma and they shooted their arrows just like a rain. And Bhishma stopped all that and hurted, wounded all the kings. Bhishma even cut so many kings' heads, and then when all the kings were not at all fighting anymore, he started taking those girls, and from there his chariot is now going towards his kingdom. Even all those kings were also appreciating the way of the valor that Bhishma by himself showing. When Bhishma was going away, there is one king, Salvaraju. He is also such a great, strong, valorous king. He immediately called on Bhishma, stop there, I would like to fight with you. Then Bhishma, when somebody is calling for the fight, he should not be denying it. Then he immediately turned towards Salva and both of them started fighting. Both of them are equally valorous soldiers. When they were fighting each other, all other kings, they became visitors. They became the audience. They all started looking at that fight. And first thing when Salvaraju shooted so many arrows and hurted Bhishma, all the kings started appreciating Salvaraju. And when those kings were appreciating Salvaraju, Bhishma got so mad and he is now saying to his driver that, oh my dear driver, take my chariot towards Salvaraju. Bhujangamiva Pakshirat, as and how Garutman kills a snake, now I am going to kill this Salvaraju. Like that Bhishma said and took his Varunastram. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. And while dedicating ourselves, let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. Now let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, Jai Sriman Narayana, Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.